Welcome students. Let us see regarding the eddy currents. Eddy current. Eddy current is the current which is generated whenever the magnetic flux linked with a metal sheet or with a metal block changes. Then there is an induction of a EMF. These produce a current which are in fact induced currents and known as the eddy currents. These eddy currents pass in the plane perpendicular to the lines of force throughout the metal. They are named eddy because they look like the eddies or the whirlpools in waters. They are also called as the Foucault current. Eddy currents, as you can see here, is like this. Whenever you just take out this magnetic field or magnet or coil which is generating magnetic field, they tend to produce such kind of effect. These eddy currents are undesirous. They are not desirable. You can see that whenever you are having any such magnet, as you can see in this, we are having a horseshoe magnet and this plate is oscillating throughout. The plate comes to a halt when there is no gap in between the plates, but these can be minimized by using the capped plates. We would like to show through an activity. See here that we have a pan which is of metal obviously, and it is kept within the two-pole piece of magnet. Now when this pan is oscillated, since it is in the influence of eddy current, there is a production of eddies and hence the motion ceases. That means this pan, the solid pan which was kept in this magnetic field, is experiencing an electromagnetic damping. Due to the damping, it is not able to oscillate. Whereas the second one, the pan, the similar pan, what we have done, we have just made some gap in between. Due to the gaps, the pan can oscillate for a longer period of time. Meaning is that eddy current ceases or it stops. It ceases or it stops the motion. See, there is also one very big example of eddy current. This is a copper wire and we are putting some magnetic material inside it. It should come as soon as it passes, but it is taking a longer period of time. As you can see here in the last slide also, you can always observe like this. Once again, it is seen that in a hollow cylindrical wire or tube, we are putting some magnetic material, some magnet, cylindrical magnet, and it is not falling as it must fall. It is taking certain period of time to come across it. This can be seen very evidently from here also. I have taken these slides from internet. The attribution is as shown because I have not prepared this material. I give credit to these people who have done this experiment. Again, you can observe the similar effect here also. The main thing behind this eddy current is this. Now, there are various applications of the eddy currents, such as number 1, induction furnace, number 2, electromagnetic damping, number 3, electric brakes, number 4, speedometers, number 5, induction motors, number 6, energy meters. That means the meters which you are using in your house for measuring purposes, that how much you are consuming the electricity, and inductothermy. Also, we are using this eddy current concept when we cross across certain metal detector. You would have observed while passing through an airport or when you go into some bigger mall, you always see that they just check you out that you are not possessing any kind of metal such as gun, etc., so that they can trace you out. These uses the principles of eddy current. In these, what is done is this, that Whenever a pulsating current is applied to the coil, it induces a magnetic field. These magnetic fields which are induced can be seen in this figure by this blue line. Now, when the magnetic field of the coil moves across the metals such as the coin, as we can see in this figure, the field induces the electric current, which is known as the eddy current. This eddy current tends to induce their own magnetic field and generates an opposite current, which induces a signal indicating the presence of the metal. So we could see that this eddy current can be easily observed. My dear students, please note a point that eddy currents are undesirous. They are undesirous, but we can't say. In nature, we see that everything has use and misuse simultaneously. So, thing is that how to look into it. But in many cases, see, when you talk about transformer, in transformer, due to the eddy current, there is a heating, which is again an unwanted effect. If that would not be there, we could use our transformer for such a longer period of time. So it depends. The main thing is that eddy currents are generated, as we can revise from the previous slides, that eddy currents are generated by the, once again to revise, eddy currents are generated by the changing in the magnetic flux. And this experiment was very well illustrated by the Faraday as well. So thank you. Just keep your things intact, read the topic, revise the topic. We will meet once.